Good morning. Yeah, sorry. I go by the name Lord. You understand? Yeah. Good morning once again. Sorry for me laughing earlier on. There's a little minute of stupidity in every human being, but it seems Ghanaians, we are abusing that privilege. I did saying the kind of say nipa bia wo bia simu bia no anya yewo bibia feni Jimmy ewo nipa bia mu. It doesn't matter whether you are the king, you are the president, whoever you are, Jimmy kaka ewo nipa bia mu. But it seems say Ghana for yen sa privilege da akonya no ye yamana broso, like yamana broso. Ati ase men social media no so I mean kwati ya isi Twini Jonas akwa eye ayi e kan say o tunfo say tutu kan say na men ko pe sa video na Twini Jonas here na akwa lead into all this drama here and there, back and forth. Now that go hear that video, I listened to every bit of words Twini Jonas kind, and not once I may taste Twini Jonas yeah utunfo. So or for what? As some Twini Jonas kind, he found a young poor or directing you to utunfo. Now even if or you utunfo is utunfo God. When you participate Twini Jonas now. Only the participate Jonas now. So if you are a king, if you are utunfo, if you are the president, na sebi penifo anymore minus penifo every video. Na sebi adnia oye se kas ebia Jimmy ade na oye ana de sebi ebia nyansan se de ni ade oye ni mu a. Is that person above criticism? Onu pakono so say like yebe muzemen kanu yebe criticizing ana utunfo is more powerful. So on the oya de bonia just will be kana say even if say Twini Jonas air quiz ana is it the tone that Twini Jonas using and inappropriate ntina mbuofu na ana ntina wa nkasanu ade a wo abegina TV so a ye interview a wo kasa about Twini Jonas aye den kasa tia utunfo hwensu a nyonko ese no hwensu hwa asase nyonko se no hwensu o nyonko dasani ese ni all because of them good o pesika kakra hwe asase no hwe muti Ghana ma Al Jazeera and they cover this news. Al Jazeera and they cover this news. Wa bre ya we you can say your media houses bebre o Ghana, but ube kom na media houses owners no bebre na so oni da man company ni bi omo se akire omo bi ko no omo te akire chama wuntumi omo nyina anya minimum chama wuntumi o mining ayi bi oti ase to obeda abekasa asemi woni ewo ni TV so ewo ni radio so ti say obi oti baabi oti abrochire na ono because odo magana mining ntino o kasa ho no how it sense you tunfo ntino o so wakasa they look out the water day in day out in crofo yare the ba at the basic hospital na that all because of this water na crofo no this insu anipa eno no masa mumani na o mumani no munya Jimmy na mujim dodo akodire bonjire wo se wo yeden wo ohene for wan da Jimmy no e penyansa di bi oye na obebeka so o support no den tutunfo onhwe na hemfo nkoto na se bisi be mudi sa Jimmy sem no o mejai no onye ana wo te brojo na wo kan kwasasem odi Twini Jonas e be free abrochire na bagana akotunfo mara kopo tunfo acho nonsense kopo utunfo acho utunfo ka ohia acho from Twini Jonas stupid Jimmy sem nko a jamo sem ensin wa hwe hwere nkofo yi nso because of good Jimmy sem na sika kakra mo benya nti sika kakra ahia na benya be hwe go na onyanko da besi wo owie beton because sika kakra bia wo benya wo ho nti wo sa asas na wo sensu wo wia wasan be no munsu fi like ondwin o ma China ni fi nyukuro maba ebe ma wo sa adwuma we amo be adwuma we etu good no na akọ mo sika kakra na wo benya no wo betodua ni wie na wo di wie wasan kọ no munsu fi no you wasan yare na da hospital. Are you okay? Are you okay in your mind? Nkonko hwa obisi baboni dia obisi declare no wanted. So what's all this bullshit? What's all this bullshit? It's high time I was a Ghana for most no money down. What's this stupidity? Jimmy Ebenano. What's America? What's New York? What's here? We are the chief of New York. What declared Trinidad as wanted? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you normal? It's Ghana. People are going blind because of bad water that they are taking in. People are dying because of bad water. People are dying because of bad roads. And you are sitting there. What's America? They declare Trinidad as wanted because then Wabeka has seen be now the tone and the manner of which or they can't say isn't appropriate to Utumfo. Are you serious? Kojaki ojon hwe nsu a eda Ghana ha ye process de ba e fa pipe mo nipa no tinya bia mi bisa wo nana wani ma onkwa so kwasia kwa aburuchiro a wote ezaga mi aburuchiro na wote nani aburuchiro nsu da wani ti se na aburuchiro da aburuchiro ho nsu tie se na mi tie aya mo ndwin kakra oye peni so dwe say what to dem good mu na bi won ye ma good ni bi di esan wo kakra wo benya da shi oboto mu nti no you are okay nti na say obi a be kasa about no sir unye serious you are not serious was America for omotin ya wo kana ko so omotimi ba ebe kire wo do she plane kwa da omo nko bo wo do be sipo so na omo sa do ba Ghana Jimson na jan wo kan wo nya kwan firi Ghana akotena America ho nti no kan semfu o kan semfu sebi semfu na ogina wo kan yesterday hwinsu eda Ghana ase o kan semfu City TV yeda mo ase mo yaade nkoso na ye was some people in this country almost Ghana they are struggling. People living in Ghana here struggling. Omo bread and omo koto data abetina online. Jimmy, yeah video but online. Ebe if I say against you, Jonas, are you serious? Are you serious? Don't you know what the guy is doing? He is doing this because he loves the country. Unless you be see main road nimu and sana when you we asphalt afaso. Apart from main road, there's no place you go to go. Many na futu kwan kwan. U very free fie to u pia bonti akota ade u be free u fie akodu junction so ko faka akota ade no. Ona hu na mfutu nkwa bakasi wanjare ka wanjare mpankaye u be share as a 3 days ni wanjare ye. You are calling this place, this town, this country, this region a capital city of a country, Accra. Na wonnam mfutu kwan kwan so. Are we serious? Go ahead, asphalt is simple. Potholes. Hey, Ghana for Musha Yansan. Mo Jimmy. Are. Because we did them. Now go on matem. Munim Yansan, go matem. Munim Yansan, I go be matem. What's all this bullshit? What's wrong with you? Ade. Mungwana mo Jimmy. Ghana yangwana Jimmy. You are brought for a Jimmy sing Ghana for bebree. But you know why Jimmy? It's because the system there is working. My brother, the system there is working. If the system in this country is working, Jimmy na mu Jimmy. I told you, you say fix the country. Maybe now Canada, Japan, but TV so can or not on support it. You can't fix the country. You also have to fix our character. if the system in this country is fixed, automatically our character will also be fixed. Obi treat car enye no the main road no system ni yeduma ye be chisa driver no next time nko fa car boni san fa me fa so bi o te say ye be fine no ye be gi this car ne boarding till next time obi so nko fa car enye me fa so bi enne ko ye kwan so utimi tra car mu na car ne ko obi si fi ken na wona nyina ya beti gbagbagbagba adi no obi ti abuchiri oti heaven on earth bashi fire penny for send penny for be the right thing for you living in this country. Wo na wo nya kwan enko in America ho bi no wo na wo nya scan passport enko ye passport enko plane ticket enko give visa enfa nko America ho ni bi no how what Ghana how we be live better life or say or no you are sitting on the internet insulting that person. Are you okay? Are you normal? What's wrong with Ghanaians? Just because they say the way or bashing Pennyphone is no good, he should remove the interest from it. And how do you think Pennyphone wanted to on Empuana Trinidad as it affects your manner? Do you know why I owe money break because Trinidad as a Kasan? Trinidad has the followers, has the viewers. What he has here to Bekano Kasa, just go and check about. I have checking Trinidad's videos, checking the views. 15,000, 20,000, 10,000, 5,000. Imagine population of Ghana has about 30,000. Some any census intimidation about 30,000. That's a Trinidad as a video. Na onya 15,000. Any videos now. Yes, imagine. Don't be a mekakon. Why video? No onya over 15,000 viewers on the video. Not all bashing Pennyphone. What the Pennyphone fear is true and say obetimi in party baby ato youth no and how mama to aban adwim na the next time on be we power bi mu ye beto abati am and no musuru e kampo na twenu gina se yom na ne nka nyom hwe se woni ma meka cho mpo no enka mo enyom hwe do musuru esin twenu gina ebe kasa de bia no ebe tenyi nkofo adwen ama ya to abati am enye no anka mo twenu gina do mpo no twam kwenkan form ho cause Pennyphone no mo nya wo ye na wo be in a form no a young bottom of personal gain. What comes to Ghana? You are living in Ghana. No what could be bank account to outside. Now we are my secret, not the Kotuta account anymore outside. Are we serious as a country? Not your region has been known all Bashoma. You're on what of time because you understand so who could boy the for hot raising. How come I don't say about some for no more Jimmy say Obi Bonnie, Obi could be Bonnie being T.O.B. no could bonnie the Nanya. Now you are Bodia, who now Obo Sabian, Tunisian, only Tunisians, a Cassatia Wana. See, even if you are Cassatia or 2 who you 2 for. The chief himself, or 2 for, I don't even believe Sabia some to watch it, but if you say I cake and watch it, but 2 for Zaman is a big institution. O mama we play bia ye hu nze otumfo nipa bi abeka BBC bia otumfo se you and punketinketa hin for small boys na mo tintin to UK to America ese wo na oye asante for we Ashanti Kingdom omo America wo na ye omo hini nonsense ona ye omo hini ko peduma bi nya wi da ona ye omo hini ukutwa ticket Trinidad aba manhia pa otumfo ati otumfo ga so hia Trinidad achopa akotam makot Ghana for kosangosia zu bonibia stupid mo Jimmy sa mo gu Ghana ha Jimmy sa wo wonya kwan so free Ghana ti makotena buchire nim sa at least nyansa kakra be otrim no ukwado wuzuzu ukwade wo wadwen na se kra sin o mo Ghana ha se kwasiafo o free ni person man sin